Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for those of you running into me for the first time, my name is Mwanga Chanda and I specialize in building AI automations for businesses and implementing them. I am also the CEO of my company called Brainbox AI Automations. And today's YouTube video is going to be very special because we'll be building an automation called a newsletter automation, or something that can automate your newsletter output. So if you are a business or a company that has a lot of emails on your email list, so you probably know how hard it is sometimes to send multiple emails to those businesses. Sometimes you have to hire a VA who can send those emails for you. But with this automation, you can actually automate rather your entire newsletter system so that you can only send emails or send the newsletters to your email list automatically. And for this build specifically, I'm going to be using a platform called n8n to build this automation. So without further ado, let me jump into the build. So for this automation, as you can see, I hope you can see the screen, but as you can see, we have an on-form submission here. So on the on-form submission, this generates the submission form of the newsletter that you send to people. So you can add in all the different fields that you want to add in the newsletter. For example, you have the title, the description, and you have different fields that you can add in here. And then you can go back and you can see it's connected to an AI model which gets the field of the form that you basically created, and then it creates a plan using this AI ChatGPT model. And then on this part, it splits all the information that is gathered, it splits it all, and then it goes to a real-time web searcher. So it avidly uses or scrapes rather information from the web real time. And then you also have anthropic chat models. So these are AI systems such as Claude AI, and these are AI systems that are specifically built for writing. So that's what anthropic chat models are. And then you have the merge part. So the merge part basically merges all the information from the Tavidly and the chat models, the anthropic chat models, and puts them into one. And then you have the aggregate here, which combines all the information. And then you have the ChatGPT model here, which edits all the information depending on the prompt of how you want the newsletter to look. So you have here the agent and the tools of the agent, and you also have the system message, or you can call it the prompt rather. So as you can see, the prompt says you're an expert editor specializing in creating and refining content output for high quality formatted articles. You are given a list of titles and outputs, and you will use this to create a newsletter tailored towards ABCD, whatever the newsletter is about. So for this last part is the ChatGPT model that creates the title of the newsletter. And then once you create the title of the newsletter and then everything is prepared, the AI automatically sends the newsletter to your email, and then can send it to the email list that you want it to send it to. So this is basically a simple build of the newsletter automation. So if you want access to this newsletter automation, you can simply follow me on Instagram first, and then you can message me newsletter automation, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to send it over to you for free, obviously. So this is basically a simple build of the newsletter automation, I do have multiple automations that I'm going to be dropping soon, or tomorrow rather. So stay tuned, and I hope you like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.